Let's have a look at Alibaba. It's been a while since we have looked at this name. 99, pretty much $100 levels today. That's where it's trading. 1.6% even after the news that I think you guys have heard of it. Charlie Munger, he reduced his position by 50%. Maybe he will try to get out fully, because anytime you see Warren Buffett or Charlie Munger sell a position, they don't trim it. They just sell it out fully. Especially if you see them sell half of the position, most likely they'll be out fully. So, but let's take a look at technicals. What to watch from here for Alibaba. It hasn't been doing much ever since it did get back up to these 117, 115 levels. So slowly came back down to $100. This is the support I'm watching at the moment. If we do slip below these levels, well, there's not much of a support all the way till $85, $86 levels for Alibaba. And also, it did have this huge gap up, if you can see it, this blue square from 76 to all the way to 92. Yeah, this is a gap it might try to fill, but they have earnings coming up in May, so we'll see what has changed for them. A lot going on in China, if you guys haven't been watching, but we'll see. May 12th, that's when their scheduled earnings is. And if you look at the chart on a weekly, well, it's still in a downtrend, big picture. And if also, let's take a look at maybe monthly chart, what has changed on a monthly chart. If you look at the monthly chart, whatever it has gained in March, it was small gain. It did pretty much wipe out everything and then some more. So on a monthly, if, well, April, it just started. All right, if April closes anywhere below $100, that's not looking good going into May, because May is super volatile right now. Well, we have earnings just about to kick in, banks about to start reporting. So if it holds up these levels throughout the April going into their earnings, well, that could be the good sign. But for the moment, just these support resistances. I mean, resistance from here is 110, above 130. It never got to 130, but these are the resistance levels I'm watching. And it's today, well, we still have one and a half hours to go. And if you look at the put to call ratio, 97,000 calls were traded, and 45,000 or 47,000 puts were traded. So there are more calls being traded, and I'm not sure if these calls are being purchased or sold. A lot of people going for May, April, some short terms, July 155, 115, and if you scroll down a little bit more, for the most part, like daily April contracts, not much going on for May. Well, I'm seeing some for May, 115, 125 spreads, but option activity, even though calls are being purchased more than puts, there are not that many big orders that are just standing out. I just see July 115, 155, but that's just the spread. Somebody bought 115. Maybe it's even a credit spread. Somebody sold 115 and they just bought 155 as a protection. So yeah, that's the update for Alibaba. I don't like it right here if it does slip $100 and it stays below $100. So this is a 30-minute chart. It's been just chopping around all day today. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.